Today is International Day of the Girl Child. Along with empowering women socio-economically, Safa has also been taking care of supporting the financial needs of young girls who wish to study either schooling or in college by way of sponsoring their fee. All these girls are from below poverty line families. Today we bring to you the story of Fatima, a young, multi-talented 23-year-old girl who is a young mother now and also a wife. We've been privileged that we could support and handhold Fatima through her journey since she was 5 years old.
Hi, I'm Fatima, and I'm here sharing my story to you, representing the struggle many girl children go through in order to realize their dreams. I am Fatima, and I'm the voice of India's unprivileged daughters. One of the college in Hyderabad that I studied promised me to offer courses at lower fees, but they looted me a lot. They added extra fees almost every semester I had to. They increased fees one semester after the other. But my family and me approached to Safa, and Safa provides me financial support. I got pregnant 3 months after my marriage. It was difficult because I had to manage my household studies and my health as I was pregnant. And due to pandemic, it affected me more since my college kept on increasing extra fees and I had to approach Safa again and again, and they motivated and helped me thereafter. Still, my family convinced me to that they would take care of my baby, and they helped me, and Rubina madam helped me. They motivated me, and there how I approached Safa and told the situation of my college, how they are increasing my fees and I have to pay. And this way, everybody helped me, and I could go to college, and finally I gave my last semester, and this way I was graduated. I am very happy that I could complete it anyhow after so many struggles in my life. Now I wanted to pursue something, I wanted to fulfill my dream. I wanted to buy a house. I wanted to become fashion designer or entrepreneur. I want to design clothes and sell like an entrepreneur. And I wanted to also become motivational speaker, help people, do counseling sessions. So I want to, establish a restaurant nearby seaside. This is my dream, and I want you all to keep moving on in life and don't lose your hope, don't lose in faith, and plus be motivated and try to work on the struggle, have willpower, but don't lose hope. Thank you.
We wish to draw your attention to supporting and mentoring and taking forward young girls' lives by giving them the right to education, which seems to be tough these days.